I can't see you. I think your camera is off.
Okay,
Can you
right
see
now I'm
yourself?
visible, sir.
Yes, yes, yes.
Can you see me
Now you are
properly, sir?
visible. Yes, yes, I can see you. Okay,
Okay,
असलम
thank you,
जी,
sir.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जस्ट आई वेलकम यू इन द लाइव सेशन ऑफ इंडिया इंग्लिश बोलेगा अभियान. अगर आप अंग्रेजी पढ़ सकते हैं तो बोल भी सकते हैं, और ठान लिए तो डेफिनेटली बोलेंगे. दिस इज सूरज कुमार, फाउंडर ऑफ इंडिया इंग्लिश बोलेगा अभियान, एज वेल एज राइटर ऑफ बेसिक टू एडवांस स्पोकन कोर्स पीडीएफ बुक. आई वेलकम यू इन दिस लाइव सेशन. प्लीज असलम जी, introduce
Yes,
yourself.
sir. Okay, sir. So let me introduce myself. My name is Aslam. I am from Ranchi, Jharkhand. I live in Ranchi city. It's my hometown, and it comes when it comes to my hobbies. So I like to play cricket. Actually, when I was in school time, that time I used to play cricket, but no longer now. If you talk about these days, so I practice only, and I am working on my English communication skill. Yeah, so that's all about me, sir.
Fantastic, fantastic, Aslam ji. Really, that I tell you that you are one of the best student of India English Bolega Abhiyan, because
Thank you,
you
sir.
joined the India English Bolega Abhiyan, and really your dedication of learning this language, really it
Yes,
was amazing. You know that when just we used to take the class, that time it was amazing, and really you were learning very nicely, because I saw many students in my life, because you are different from others, because you
yes,
have
sir.
the dedication to learn this language. Really, you tell
Yes.
about the experience of India English Bolega Abhiyan. You joined, you learned something. What do you say about it?
Yeah, actually, sir, I started my journey 1 year ago, but at that time I had knowledge about only grammar. Yeah, I know very well about grammar. I can like I could read a sentence, I could make sentence, but that time I was not able to speak like fluently. Like I didn't know how to speak like in English language. So when I joined your English class, India English Bolega Abhiyan, so that time I came to know how to speak, because the time I got many structure with the help of your PDF. You gave me one PDF. With the help of that PDF, I came to know how to speak in English language. So yeah, it was a really nice class, and I enjoyed that class, sir. So I'd like to thank you, sir, because my English is good. Right now, I'm able to speak fluently, sir. Yeah. So it was great. It was great class, and it was a wonderful time when I joined your class.
Fantastic, fantastic. I tell you, each and every student they joined India English Bolega Abhiyan, really. Actually, I tell you why I feel amazing, because English speaking was my dream. I was from Hindi medium school, yes, and
Yeah.
since childhood, just I have been thinking that one day I would speak English, because whenever just I used to see the people from India, they were talking in English fluently without any hesitation. I was thinking, which day I will become fluent English speaker. Really, just I am working for that. I am working hard for that. I joined many classes, and uh, I thought that one day I would start India English Bolega Abhiyan, and just I will transform India. There are many students, I tell you, they don't have proper guidance, proper environment.
Yeah.
They are struggling to learn this language. But I know
Yeah.
that many students that joined India English Bolega Abhiyan, and now they are becoming fluent. They are speaking English fluently without any hesitation. Really, it is the great success. You know that money that does not matter, but
Yes, sir. Yes.
what you desire from your heart, something that becomes true. Really, that is amazing and mind blowing. I feel amazing when any student says, sir, because of you, sir, really, I joined the Indian English Bolega Abhiyan, and now just I am becoming fluent. I am learning this language. I have that confidence. You just gave me the 100% guarantee of learning this language, speaking this language. Fantastic. I feel
Yes, sir.
fantastic.
I'm
I, as
also,
I, hmm.
yeah, I'm also from Hindi medium school. So actually, one incident happened with me. So then I started I started to learn English language. What happened that time, sir? Actually, when I had completed my graduation, as well as I had completed my graphic design course, so that time I needed a job, one job. So I tried many times to get a job, but I was rejected because my English was not good, and that time I could not speak in English language. That's why I was rejected. So I tried many times, sir, and I went. That time my English was not good, so I was not able to speak any word. So because of that, I was rejected. But when I joined English class, I learned English language, how to speak. So yeah, so since that time I have been speaking, and I can say right now I am able to speak. I can crack any interview in English language. Yeah.
Very nice. As we know that English is an international language. It is a global language. And if you have the great command on this language, really just you will be national to international. Just you
Yes.
can go abroad countries, just you can work there, just you can make a lot of money. And you know
Yes.
that nowadays, today, success equal to money. If you don't earn much money, people they say that you are not successful. This is the
Yes, sir.
harsh reality of this society. Yes,
Yeah.
nowadays if you don't make money, the people say you are useless. If you are making little money, people say you are average. But if you make plenty of money, the people say you are successful.
Yeah. Sir,
Whether
these
whatever
days,
just you are doing, that does not matter.
these days, sir, English is very compulsory, sir. It doesn't matter how many degree you have. Yeah, you have lot of degree regarding like skill. Yeah, you have lot of degree. You have lot of skills, but you don't have English command. You don't have English communication skill. Then definitely you will have to face problem to get a job in any sector. So I can say English is very compulsory in these days, sir. If you want to get a good job in a big company, if you want to get a job in abroad, then definitely you need to learn English language. Without English communication, I think so you can't go like you can't achieve your goal. So it's a very compulsory, sir. So I would like to my all viewers who are watching this video, please try to speak, try to learn English language. Definitely, if you speak every day, if you try to learn English every day, definitely you will be able to speak fluently. Yeah. So first of all, I would like to say to all viewers who are watching this video, please try to speak, try to learn through India English Bolega Abhiyan. Because if you join this class, definitely you will get like lot of knowledge about how to speak in English language, and also you will get one PDF where with the help of that PDF, you will get knowledge, many structure. So yeah, definitely if they will try to learn English language through India in English Bolega, and definitely they will be able within 6 months, within 1 year to speak English language. Yeah.
Very nice. Actually, most of the students they ask me, sir, what is the duration, sir? Sir, how much time it will take to become fluent English speaker? Yes, but I tell you that is depend on you.
Yeah.
There are many students, I tell you, within 1 month, 2 months, they became fluent English speaker.
Yeah, but
Because English
it's
speaking,
depend on
it's
dedication, sir.
yeah,
It's depend
it
on
is depend
dedication.
on your dedication.
Yeah.
Because how much just you will work hard, you are excited, how much you are excited to learn this language.
Yes,
It
sir.
takes time, it takes something efforts, but it is possible. Because for me, I tell you, I was not one of the best student of my school, but however just I could learn this language. And nowadays, just because of me, many students they are able to speak this language. Really, I feel amazing, fantastic, and really that satisfaction. India
Yes,
English
sir.
Bolega Abhiyan. When I told my one of my friends that one day I would start, he was laughing at me. Hey, you are
Yeah.
from Hindi medium school. Even you don't know how to talk in English fluently, how could you teach any other person? Yes,
Yeah.
but you know that if you are true-hearted person, you have the great desire to transform India. You have to do
Yes, sir.
something. Just you dedicate yourself.
Yeah.
You just anything you have to do, just do that. Again, you see
Yeah.
the magic will be people will trust you, they will join. Nowadays, I tell you, uh, from Bollywood, one actor, the actor, director, producer, his name is Pankaj Titoria.
Yeah. I
He
have.
joined
Yeah.
in India,
I have
yeah,
watched.
India
I
English
have
Bolega
watched that
Abhiyan.
video, sir. Yeah, I have watched that
India,
video.
he,
Yeah, where we are talking with a Bollywood actor. I think so. It was
yes,
Bollywood
yes,
actor with whom you are talking.
yes, yes, yes.
Yeah.
And he joined India English Bolega Abhiyan, and really, I never thought in my life this the
Yeah,
boy from Hindi medium school, government school, who
yeah.
don't know how to talk in English, who will teach the people from Bollywood. Yes, then magic happens in your life. When you trust yourself, you dedicate yourself, you try to improve yourself, then magic happens. And
You are
really,
also from,
Aslam ji,
sir? You are also from Hindi medium school?
yes. I was also from Hindi medium school, and really
Great,
that's why it was my dream because English
great.
medium school, if school is very nice, you can very easily you can understand, you can learn this language because English medium is English, but Hindi medium everything will be in Hindi, and only English will be in English, but that will be subjective. And after reading subjective, only subject, English subject, I give you 100% guarantee, 12 years, 13 years, 15 years, you read only subject, you can't speak English.
Yeah, sir. Can I ask you
Because
some
there are
questions, sir?
many students.
Can I
Yes,
ask
why
you
not,
some
please?
questions? I want to know about your English journey, sir. Since when have you been practicing English language?
I tell you that in 2014, when I passed my matriculation exam, then I was very excited to learn this language, and I joined one institute, and it was the best, one of the best institute of Bokaro Steel City. And
Yeah.
regular 1 year, just I went there, and really I was very excited to learn this language that time. And from that time, just I was not continue because after that, just I did ITI. I went to the training. Bokaro Steel City's best, that is steel manufacturing company, BSL plant, Bokaro Steel plant. I went there, and I just took the training. And while, but I was a little bit excited to learn this language. Whenever just I was talking with the engineers in this language in Bokaro Steel City plant, the laborers and workers, they were really fascinated that wow, you can speak, sir. They were respecting me a lot because of this language, because you know
Yes.
that all the workers, they were speaking in Hindi language and you are speaking in English, they respect you a lot. That time I thought, why not this language? And I was teaching kids, and apart from that, I was teaching kids, and really just I was teaching really. I was feeling well whenever, because I was really associated with a study since childhood, and I love to read still, and every day I improve myself. I read books, and really the journey went on, and after that I took the course of Aval sir, and just every day just I improved myself. Still, just I'm trying to improve myself, and just journey is going on.
So I have another question, sir. I'd like to ask you, if someone, student wants to take your class, so how much money they will have to pay for 1 month? Because when I joined your class, that time I paid 300 rupees for 1 month. So in this time, if someone wants to take your class, so how much money will have to pay?
Group class, you know that group class is going on. Yes, group class is
Okay.
going on, and only if you will take the class for 3 months, 3 months class if you will take for course, that is course 3 months course, then 999 rupees you can pay, and just you can get the PDF ebooks as well. Two PDF ebooks you will get the free of cost, and only 999 just you can pay, and you can join for 3 months. Otherwise monthly if you want to pay, then only 299 rupees. It is simple, you can pay and join.
For PDF, how much money will I have to pay, sir? For PDF?
For PDF ebook only 99 rupees, one PDF, that is it, that its price.
Yeah. And how is going your class, sir, today? How is going your class these
It
days?
is going fantastic. As we know that every Tuesday just we have off, Tuesday and Sunday. That's why it is
Because
off today.
yeah, after a
And
long time we are talking. We are talking, sir. I think so.
really, why not?
After 6 months or 7 months.
Really, I was missing you a lot, and I was thinking that one day I would talk to you, and I would
Definitely,
record a
sir. I
video
also
because
wanted to talk with you. I wanted to talk with you, but since I was busy, that's why I could not connect with you, sir. But it's come true, and we are talking to each other.
thank you, Aslam ji. I gotta go now because I have to start the class, personal class. I have to start.
Yeah, thank you,
That's
sir.
why I please give
I'm
me the
very happy.
permission.
I'm very
And
happy to meet you, sir. And in future, I
thank
would
you,
like to
thank you,
come with
thank you,
you again.
thank you, thank you. Whenever just I will get
Thank you, sir.
time, I would give you another opportunity. Okay,
Thank you, sir.
okay.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
thank
sir.
you. Please welcome.